Jesus Christ, it's windy. Huh? Yeah, still recording. Yeah, we done that because we can go on the mountain bike trail and I can get a clip. Yeah. Top on, I've got Nike shoes on and a Nike Adidas bag. Adidas bags, and that's my school bag. Yeah, I'm smart. What are you saying? They collabed, didn't it? In my mind, they collabed. How can you not make it over that? Paige apparently fell down that cliff over there. Like, yeah. Look, Josh, see that cliff over there? Paige Holloman fell down that apparently. She's not dead. Yeah, don't say that. I ain't been down the quarry. No. Oh, mate. Your phone is jarring me out. It's here, Tyler, look. I don't think he can hear you. Recording on 1 bar battery. My bike's the lightest. No. Oh, wait, sorry. Where? Oh, shit. So, basically, at this point, my mate Josh and Owen realised that there was a van parked up at the actual entrance of the construction site thing, and we had to get out there quick because there was a man walking down towards where we were. So, here's the rest of that footage. Right, get the bikes down. Huh? There's a van up there. Get the bike down on it. Quickly. Got it. What's up there, man? Go, Tyler! There's a man! Here is some footage of us going back to look at the van and see if the man was still there. But the van was still there, so we decided to go. Oh, you can't even see the van in there. Oh, you can. So we was unable to go to the park due to me having a nail in my tyre. I had to put it out because it kept rubbing against the tyre and I didn't want the tyre to split, so I had to pull it out, and then my tyre went completely flat, so I decided to go home.